This is how to open a LaTeX file in Overleaf. Go to Overleaf and from your project dashboard, go to New Project, choose Blank Project, name your project, My LaTeX Project, click Create, then go to File, choose Upload File, select Files, then upload your LaTeX file, then choose your .tex file, click Open, and go to your uploaded .tex file, and you have just opened your LaTeX file. Now you can start editing your LaTeX file. You can choose code or visual. So this is how to open a LaTeX file in Overleaf.